So in this video, we'll be looking at internal walls. For this one, I need to be in the view that I want to be placing these walls. So in this case, I'm going to be looking at working on the ground floor. So open up the ground floor view, and then in architecture and wall at the top here, select walls. In the properties box, I want to change the wall because I want to be doing an internal wall. I'm no longer going to be choosing these exterior walls. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and then I can see these internal walls in here. There'll be different types. We have our stud partitions. We've got a standard stud. We've got our 70mm metal stud. I'm actually going to choose this wall here, which is 12mm plaster, 100mm of block work, 12mm plaster. So for that one selected, I can now start drawing my walls. So it doesn't matter really where you place them, however you want to carve up the inside of your particular project. I'm just going to do some real basic ones. If you get this happening where you actually want to start somewhere else, just use the escape key, and that'll allow you to stop drawing. So just by pressing the escape key once, stops it, just disconnects that drawing of that wall and then starts a new one. So where I get this happening here, escape key once. To stop drawing walls altogether, press escape key twice. It might be that you want to actually align things a little bit neater. So I can actually select this wall and grab it and move it around, but I don't particularly like doing that. It's quite clumsy and not all that accurate, and it's a lot quicker to actually use the align tool. So the align tool, we can either select this, and the align tool is up here, which is this shape box in the drawing amendments box up here, or we can use the shortcut keys. So the keyboard shortcut for the align is AL. So AL, just typing AL on the keyboard when nothing is selected. You can see my cursor has now changed. And if I wanted to align this wall here with this wall here, I always, first of all, select the wall that is fixed and isn't going to move. So basically the one that the wall you want to move to is going to go to. So this wall here first, you can see that's now selected blue, and there's a blue dotted line sliding up here. And then if I click on this line, that now snaps to it. And it's the same with this line here. So if I wanted to align this wall for this one, click on that one, and then on that line there, and everything starts to line up. And the align tool is a really useful tool that you'll use a lot more. To come out of that particular mode, just press the escape key twice, and that stops that from happening. And I've now got my internal walls on the ground floor. Do the same again for any other floors you want to put walls on. You can also change them and move them around, so I can select that wall and change it to a stud work wall if I so wished, and that now becomes a stud work wall.